Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are doing really well. I know it's been a long time, but I actually had a nice trick to log in into your QuickBooks account. So in this video, going to cover how to log in into your QuickBooks account for free. So because it's restricted in India, so people think it's kind of impossible and you won't be able to practice your QuickBooks skills, but actually you can actually create a online QuickBooks account for free and without any credit card details and all. So I hope you like this video and you find this video very helpful. I'm also going to show how you can get an online QuickBooks certification for free. So please stay tuned with me in this video. So let's start. Let me share my screen with you all. So make sure whatever link and whatever process that I'm going and sharing with you all, you are following those processes very particularly, and you are clicking on the same links that I'm telling you. Otherwise, you'll go haywire. So make sure that you follow each step only the way that I'm telling you. Otherwise, you won't be able to create that QuickBooks account. Okay, so let's start with the process. First is what you have to do is you have to go ahead and write Intuit sign in on Google. Then you will be able to see this link which says sign in. Okay, so you can click over here. It could also show just sign in below Intuit. You can click here as well. So let me just open this link. Okay, so I'm already logged in. 1 second. I'll sign out for you guys. Okay, so let me just restart it for you all. So 1 second. So when you will click on that sign in link, something like this will open for you all. So you will be asked to fill up your details over here, but no, here is the trick point. You don't have to fill over your details over here. You have to go on and click on create an account over here. Okay. So then this window will come up for you. Enter your email, create a password with you. And when you're writing your number, click on write +91 and write whatever your number is and create an account. Okay, that's it. Now the Intuit website is part of Intuit's website is done. Now let's go on to another tab. Now you have to write online QuickBooks accountant. Okay. Now you will be able to see that there are a lot of links over here, but you have to click on the link which says grow your accounting practice. Don't click on any other link or you'll go haywire. So click on this link which says grow your accounting practice. Now, what usually people do is they go ahead and start signing up over here, but no, you don't have to do that. You have to go ahead and click on this sign up for free that is written in the green part. Okay, this specific thing, I hope it's visible to you all. So when you click over here, since you've already created an account with Intuit, what you will do is you won't fill up your details over here. You have to check this already have an account. So you'll have to click on sign in. Okay. Now, so it will use your email ID and password from which you had created the Intuit account. Click on sign in, enter your password and click on continue. Okay, so now your QuickBooks account is starting to open. So just don't, click here and there. Just sign in and you'll be directed to your QuickBooks account. Let's wait for it to open. Okay, so now you can see how you have, how this portal has opened up for you. Now you can go ahead and, explore the entire QuickBooks account. Now, one thing I want to tell you, those of you who have already created a password before watching this video, you guys can skip the Intuit website part and you can directly go to this link, to the QuickBooks accountant part, where I wrote now grow, online QuickBooks accountant. So you can directly start with this step and click on grow your accounting practice and start with the entire thing. Okay. So if you have created your password already on QuickBooks website, okay. So if it's done, just start with here. If it's not done, start with Intuit, then go to QuickBooks. Okay. Now let's talk about how to start your training. So when you open this portal, Pro Advisor, here you click on Pro Advisor and click on training. So when you'll click on training, click on personalized path and you'll be directed, let me just start again. Training path. Okay. So when you'll click on training, this thing will come up for you. So we'll select QuickBooks Online. Okay. Next thing is I want online certification pathway. So I'll click on the second option and I'll submit it. And you'll be able to see that all the, all the material, it just comes up. Then once you're done with the material, go ahead and give the exam, and you will get a certification. So yeah. So this was the entire process. I hope this video will help you out. I just really wish that you are able to, create your QuickBooks account by following the exact same links and exact same steps, and you'll start with your QuickBooks journey very soon. So if you like this video, please do like, share, comment, and subscribe for more such videos. Take care and bye.